Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have two dash cams that will take your driving experience to the next level.
On the left, we have the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit, and on the right, we have the eJager Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K40p front dash camera. Let's dive in and compare these two products in different categories. Alright, let's talk about the first category, price.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit comes in at a budget-friendly price of just $29. That's a steal.
On the other hand, the eJager Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera is priced at $79.
It's a bit pricier, but it offers some additional features.
So if you're on a tight budget, the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit might be the way to go.
Now let's move on to the features category. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit boasts a new upgrade with a USB-C power supply, making it more stable and avoiding issues like restarting or high-temperature deformation. It also offers 24 hours of surveillance, ensuring your dash cam never runs out of power.
On the other hand, the eJager Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera takes things up a notch.
It captures every detail of your drive with its advanced Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens, providing ultra-clear 2560*1440p resolution.
It even has a smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi and app control feature, allowing you to preview, download videos, and share footage with ease. It seems like the eJager Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera is packed with some impressive features.
If you're looking for top-notch video quality and advanced connectivity options, this might be the one for you.
Alright, let's talk about the design of these dash cams.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit offers a simple and easy installation process.
It keeps your car neat and tidy with hidden wiring, freeing up your cigarette lighter for other devices. On the other side, we have the eJager Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera. This camera has a mini and hidden design that won't block your view while driving. Plus, with its heat resistance chipset and aluminum alloy shell, it can withstand extreme weather conditions.
Safety and style in one package. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit is highly praised for its easy installation and value for money. Reviewers appreciate its stability and 24-hour surveillance feature. On the other hand, the eJager Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera receives rave reviews for its high-quality video recording, advanced connectivity options, and compact design. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the eJager Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera in 3 different categories.
If you're on a budget, the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit might be the perfect choice for you. But if you're looking for top-notch video quality and advanced features, the eJager Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera is definitely worth considering. Remember, it's all about finding the right product that suits your needs.
We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.